Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to write big size letters in Word. We are going to open the Word document. Once you do so, in the field Font Size, manually enter the font size. Press Enter. Now you can see that the letter is large when writing in Word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.